everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me and my furry sidekicks today. Super happy you're here. We're kicking off outfit of the day, what I wear, where you get a week of outfits, you get a lot of PA weather in there, and you get a little bit of life. If you're new, I'm Laura. Xena is the tan puppy dog over here. Wyatt is the white puppy dog. We hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. All right, so it is really chilly out. This has been pretty consistent now for all week, I would say. And 25 degrees, only getting up to 31. It's going to be another super cold week. So I dressed pretty much for just cold weather. I have a couple errands to run. I'm not going to be spending exorbitant amount of times outside or anything, but I did try to dress appropriately. We have about 8 inches of snow as well, so that impacts my clothing choices as far as footwear goes because it's crappy. There's slippy places. So yeah, that's where we are today. Little Miss, I'm glad she's here. She's doing pretty good, but she is in pretty much retirement mode. So at this point, she's a guest appearance. And let's see, where Harvey, if you happen to see a kitty, that's Harvey, and he is probably prowling around downstairs. For today's outfit, I have on Liverpool joggers. I love these. I think I got them in a Wantable, I believe. Paired it with this, I was in the mood for some color because it's just been so dark, no sun, yucky. So I went with this cute little, very comfy, fuzzy pullover by Evereve. It is one of their house brand. And then for shoes, this is where I probably would not have typically picked these, but I did because of how crappy it is outside, or at least not pick these with this outfit. These are Blondo, so they're waterproof, very comfy. And for my jacket, this one is by Armoire. This is Steve Madden. I put this on top. For jewelry, I just have gold hoops on and my name necklace, and I'm calling it for the day. I've got some videos I want to try to do for you all and some errands to run, so hopefully this outfit works. All right, I hope your week starts off great, and I will see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Monday already, time for outfit of the day. More snow. Today is a high of 34, we're there. That's it. Tomorrow, when I am starting to travel again, so I'm going to travel for just one night, so a couple days. Tomorrow it's going to be a high of 18. I can tell you, I hate traveling when it's like that cold outside, but I'm sure it will all be fine. I'm just going to have to wear a lot of clothes and make sure I have extra stuff in the car, right, just in case. So hopefully the snow stops, and I'm hoping that snow won't be the issue, just the cold. And let's see, nobody's joining me today. Everybody's snug as a bug and didn't really want to get up and join me for outfit of the day today, so I'm doing it solo. And this is not a overly exciting outfit for me. I just grabbed all things easy and warm this morning. I have on a pair of hidden denim that I got from Nordstrom. I love hidden denim, by the way, so if you haven't tried it, I suggest it. I think they're a great brand at I'll call it a reasonable-ish price. And then my sweater is from American Eagle. This was on sale over the holidays, so I grabbed, I think, 2 of these little V-necks at $25 each. It's just a nice, warm, cozy, and they didn't have a lot of colors left because everybody was loving them, so I ended up with this tan, and I got a navy blue. I like this because it's a V-neck. The color probably not the best for me, but I'm liking this sweater. And then paired it with shoes from Stitch Fix. These are Vince Camuto and a loft vest for cozy. For jewelry, I have on a loft necklace. I have on hoops from Rocksbox, and that's it. That's it for today. All right, I got to get back to work. I'll catch you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. Coming to you first thing in the morning. It is 5:30, 13 degrees outside. It's gonna get up to 21, and I've got to hit the road. Before I get into it, I wanted to say a thank you to Rita, who sent me this really great Christmas card. So I loved everything you wrote inside here, so thank you so very much. I really, really appreciate it. Love when I get Christmas cards, so it means a lot whenever I hear from all of my subscribers, or any of my subscribers. Okay, so it is, as I said, Tuesday. It is completely black outside. I dressed for car work, right? So I have on AG denim. I got on sale at Nordstrom. I have on a t-shirt from Michael Stars. I believe I got in a Trendsend. I have on this White House Black Market jacket. For shoes, I have on, these are Mark Fisher. These are Mark Fisher, love them. And I have on a necklace from The Loft. I have on earrings that I got when I was in the Philippines from my team. They got these for me. And I have to go. I just realized I don't have my rings on, so I'm going to have to put those on before I head out. Okay, I got to get to it. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day. It is a balmy, let's see, 19 degrees outside. It's only getting up to 30 here. I think it's even colder at home. And let's see, my Wantable Winter Chill posted today, and I kept from that two things. I exchanged the gray pants. I thought they were so cool. And I kept that metallic silver blazer because, I mean, come on. I loved it. But that was my two keepers from that one. Also, my Curator posted on Monday, and I forgot to give you a quick update on the missing item, the beauty products. Apparently, they had sent me a note letting me know that they were delayed, and I missed it. So it is coming, but the product is delayed, and they didn't want to hold up the whole box, so they sent it. Okay. So for today, I have on Dear John denim from a Wantable. I have on a Bobeau tee from a Trendsend a long time ago. My White House Black Market jacket, you may remember from my jacket haul recently. My shoes are my super fun Dolce Vita booties with the gold tip. I love these. And for jewelry, I have on my mom's necklace, an Ana Luisa necklace, gold hoops, my bracelet stack, and I do have on one of my Ana Luisa rings as a thumb ring. And that is my outfit today. All right, I'm gonna go face the cold, and I will catch you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. More snow in PA at, let's see here, 25 degrees, getting up to 27. I think the snow is just going to continue off and on through next week. Bitterly cold outside, I don't like it. So I think I'm just going to stay inside. And let's see, for outfit of the day today, I selected jeans by Hidden that I got from Nordstrom. I have on an Evereve sweater that I got directly from them. This has a fun little vegan leather stripe down the sleeve, which I'm very much enjoying. And then for shoes, my Schutz from last year. I love these. And my jewelry, I have on gold hoops, a necklace that I got when I was in the Philippines, and my bracelet stack. I think I'm ready for the day. Okay, well, I'll be back tomorrow with Happy Dance. Hey everybody, it's Friday. The sun is finally shining. It isn't gray anymore. It's a little bit warmer than it was, right, Wyatt? Although Wyatt is loving all the snow. We have like snow taller than Wyatt at this point. But he went investigating yesterday, going out into the snow, because right now we just have little paths for them in the snow, and he went out into the big piles of snow yesterday, didn't you, buddy? But had fun. So we made it to Friday, and we made it through the weather, which is about 30 degrees right now. It's going to get a little bit warmer the weekend, and then plunge back down next week and be like 10 single digits. So we'll see. And for outfit of the day today, I chose a Maeve cardigan that I got from Anthropologie on sale. I have on a Nikibiki cami underneath here. I should say it's like a bralette. It's short. I pulled out skinny jeans today. I know, right? Like this is a moment. I haven't worn my skinny jeans in a long time, and I actually got rid of most of them, but I did keep a few pair that I loved, which I'm glad that I did, because this is the weather where you need to tuck your pants into your shoes. It is that bad outside. It's slushy, it's wet, the snow is yay high. So I did pull out my skinny jeans and put on my Dolce Vita boots with the tread at the bottom. Yesterday I ended up having to pull out Uggs when I actually left, so I had to switch out the shoes I had picked. It was so bad, and my son wanted me to go to the grocery store with him, so I actually pulled those out. For jewelry, I have on a necklace, the pearl necklace I got in the Philippines. I have on a Ana Luisa necklace with it, gold hoops, my bracelet stack. Several of these are also from the Philippines. And that is my outfit for today. I'm so glad it's Friday. Like, so glad. I hope you guys are doing amazing. I'll see you tomorrow with one more outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday and time for final outfit of the day. So today, a little bit warmer, 35, getting up to 41, lots and lots of rain. All right, so to finish up the week, my outfit today is a pair of Good American denim from a Trendsend. I have on a sweater top. I love this. It's kind of got that see-through knit. This is by Z Supply. I put on a full tank underneath it. That one's from the Limited, so it's one of my favorites from a long time ago. My velvet jacket that's reversible, so I put the suede side on the inside, the Sherpa on the out, since I have all black on. Black boots. These are from Dolce Vita. I'm headed out, and it's still slushy, crappy outside, so I've been very purposeful with my shoe choices just so I can make sure that I'm not putting myself in a bad spot trying to walk through the snow. For jewelry, I have on a necklace my friend got me. I have on hoop earrings, my bracelet stack, and I think I'm set, huh, buddy? Huh. So my JB Stylebox posted today, and it was a good one. Although if you got a chance to see it, I did have some sizing issues. So what I decided to keep was this whole set. So the dress and the top by Z Supply, which I thought was adorable. I did keep the red jacket, but I didn't keep the dress. So I kept the Z Supply jacket, but not the Z Supply red and blue dress. This one, remember the pictures? And then with the Liverpool outfit, the pants were too small, but I really liked them, so I sized up and they were perfect. And she sent me a matching jacket to go with it, so I also kept that. But you guys didn't get a chance to see that yet, so that's coming up. I didn't keep the Nikibiki little crop cami, or if we want to call it a bralette. I didn't keep that. And I think that's it. The little button-up sweater, I didn't keep that because that neckline was so big. I didn't keep those cargos and the rose gold. They just didn't fit. So I think that's everything. It was a really good box. And that's a wrap on Outfit of the Day this week. I'll list all my outfits down below. If I can link specifically to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so I will link to the boxes. Can't wait to hear what your favorites were, so please do comment down below. Hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.